Well, Gavin, we have a card trick. This card trick is called Simple and Bold because it's very simple and it's very bold. The way this works, Gavin, is you go to the dollar store, buy 4 decks of cards. Out of each deck, you take the same card, and then you put those 4 cards that are identical on the top of this deck of cards. And then when you're all ready to go, the first thing you do is you give yourself 4 cards. Well, guess which cards you gave yourself. In this case, I took out the 5 of hearts from each of 4 different decks. And now it's very easy to move this 5 of hearts around and give people the impression that we can totally control the 5 of hearts. For example, I can put it on the bottom, and then when I wave my hand over the top, of course the 5 of hearts will come right back up to the top. We can put the 5 of hearts in the middle of the deck if we want to. Same idea. Wave your hand over the top. You can bring that 5 of hearts right to the top of the deck. If you want to, you can move the 5 of hearts off to the side. Same deal. Show the 5 of hearts. Put it on the bottom of the deck. Five of hearts. If we want to, we can put it right here in the middle. Same thing. Show the card. Put it off to the side. We've got 2 5s here. We've got 2 5s here. Another 5. Put it over here. Another 5. Put it over here. It's an easy trick to do. It's very bold, and everybody thinks you've got a stack of different cards that you've managed to manipulate, so that it's always the 5 of hearts is at your fingertips. We know that's not the case. But you don't have to use the 5 of hearts if you don't want to. For example, if you think that you're better off using, say, the 6 of clubs, go ahead and use the 6 of clubs. Same kind of stuff. You can put the 6 of clubs right there in the middle of the deck. If you want to, you could just as easily put the 6 of clubs on the bottom of the deck. Or if you wanted to, you could put the 6 of clubs off to the side of the deck. 6 of clubs, put it on the bottom. We've got 1 over there already. We've got 2, 3, we've got 4, 6 of clubs on the deck. People think, wow, that's just amazing. How did you do that? You don't need to use the 6 of clubs if you don't want to. For example, if you want to, you could just as easily use, say, the king of spades. In that case, what do you have to be sure? You've got, that's right, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards that are all the king of spades. What we have to sometimes do is figure out, where do these cards go? Well, for example, let's take the top card and the next card, and let's put both these cards on the bottom if we want to. Give the deck a quick shuffle. And then what we're going to do is line the cards up on the table. For example, the top card is going to be our king of spades. The second card, we're going to put right there, that's also a king of spades. And our third card, which we're going to put right there, is going to be a king of spades. And the fourth card, which is going to go right there, is the king of spades. So we've got 1 king, 2, 3, we've got 4 kings. Now for this next part of the trick, we don't need to use the 4 kings. We don't need to use the first one. We don't need to use the second one. We don't need to use the third one. But we do need to use the fourth one. As a matter of fact, that fourth card, we are going to turn it upside down so it's easy to keep track of in this deck. It's the same thing. Make the magic motion. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the back of every card and the face of every card is the wrong way. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and there he is. He's face up. Let's turn him face down and see if we've got all our kings here. 1, 2, 3, 4 kings. And Gavin, there's your trick for the day.